Let's do it. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Ben, also known as the Data Guy. Why Data Guy? Well, Data's been paying my salary for as long as I can remember. But I do have other passions. One of them is networking. And after bringing down my home network many times, testing things, I decided, hey, why not build myself a lab? You saw from my intro, I bought a few little toys that I'm going to be putting together and blog about them so I can share those with you. My lab will be consisted of a few items. First, you got to get a rack or else it's going to be a mess. It's going to be stacked on my desk. And honestly, I use my desk for my day-to-day work. So I bought a 12U rack from the company called Rack, which are based out of Montreal. And for me, being out of Montreal was great. When it's curbside pickup, and there you go. The rack was actually not too expensive. I'm curious to see how sturdy it is. The backbone of my lab will be all based off of Ubiquiti equipment, so Unifi. I'll be using the Unifi Dream Machine Pro as well as a Unifi XG16 switch. Yeah, I want that 10 gigabit backbone. It's going to be interesting because I haven't delved into the 10 gigabit world yet, so I'm going to give it a try. Also because I just bought a NAS and I'm going to be plugging it in 10 gigabit, trying to take advantage of that. And as well as a nano HD. So this is my lab. Compared to my home setup, I've actually went from a Bell router and completely revamped that to Ubiquiti equipment. I found that Ubiquiti is the good match to get that stuff up on top of the standard router experience. Everybody that's used a Home Web 3000 knows that it's a pain, so I decided to really explode my network and go the full Ubiquiti route. At home, I'm actually running in a USG, not the Pro, just the standard, as well as a few switches, a PoE, and 2 access points. And I use the AC Pro because I wanted that wider 2.5 gigahertz range that the AC Pro offers over the Nano HD. So in this video series, I'm going to go through the process of building my lab with you, starting from my rack. So I'm going to build the rack and I'll document what I'm building and show you guys some of the gotchas of building this rack from Rack, as well as giving you my hands-on experience on installing and setting up the Unifi Dream Machine Pro and the switch as well as the Nano HD. So follow me and see the progress of my lab build as well as all my experience.